Okay. Kilad says, okay, I will join on Sunday and we'll check out the book. Thanks, Dennis. Yeah, so the book is Introduction to Statistical Learning. You don't have to spend money on it. The authors, if you go to statlearning.com, they make the PDF available for free. And come on Sundays if you want. I'm doing it. We have 6 more Sundays left because we're doing every chapter. We're already in chapter 5, which is incredible. That's halfway through the book. I can't believe we've done that. But yeah, come on Sunday. I teach it live. I never do pre-recorded content or teaching content. So yeah, look forward to seeing you, and anybody else wants to join, Sunday, 1500 GMT, go to YouTube. I always put the thumbnails or the session ahead of time. That way you can click on notify me and Google will tell you when we're starting. I think it sends it to you like 10 minutes ahead or something. But it'll tell you when the session's starting. We've been having a great time. We've been having some really, really cool people show up and having the back and forth. So keep on coming. Quite Forest Soul says, hello, sir. I am inspired by your live videos and posts. Also your instruction. Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate you saying that. Yeah, just sharing what I know, just having fun with it. You know, I'm passionate about this stuff, so might as well get online and talk. They're from India. Cool. I Shriseth says, hello, sir.